How to use the Osmio Infinity with the new digital timer. First, power on your machine. Now press the on-off hold button just once. It will automatically go into the previously selected duration. You have an option of two things. You can either enter power saving mode, which it automatically comes on with. This means that the indicator, the light indicator, does not show when you are in your duration cycle or if you're in continuous mode. If you'd like the light to show, you just need to press the 1 minute and the 5 minute simultaneously. I'll just show you that now. Press and hold them for a couple of seconds until the lights come on. You see that they started flashing, and now it's showing that the 1 minute duration cycle is on. If at any point you're in your cycle in a duration that you then want to change or you want to increase your time, you can simply do this by selecting the next time that you want to be in. If you want to stop that cycle, just press the on-off hold button at the bottom and it will end that time. If you want to go into continuous mode, you power on the system, press and hold this on-off hold button to go into continuous mode, just for a few seconds. The light will then switch from the timer duration to the continuous mode here. Once you've then finished using the continuous mode, just simply turn off the system.